if you have a Honda Pilot and your auxiliary audio in is not working, you have a faulty audio in jack, obviously. Now I have a 2011. Put this back together a little bit. So I have a USB slot down here, auxiliary port here. So normally all the videos on YouTube will only have the auxiliary port, but I have a Touring 2011 Honda Pilot, so it's a little special. It has a little bit of upgrades. It has a USB slot as well, which works fine. The video works fine, but I am not getting anything else as an audio, auxiliary audio in. So to take this out, I've seen several videos. Some people take out the center console, or they just pry them out. I'm lazy, I just pried mine out. I pried this portion off first. And here's where your tabs are on the side, the left hand side, and one on the right hand side. Second one, I use my screwdriver and I pried it out. To get it out, I just pry it up on the top and I pry it on the bottom, and then I pulled it out. Looks like this pulls out and this pulls out. Now the part you're gonna need for these for the double USB slash auxiliary port is the Honda 39115-SZA-A01. That's the correct part. Come on. With the auxiliary port and then the USB port. Now I'm just replacing the USB port, the auxiliary port, because mine is bad, but the USB is fine. So I will be reusing the USB port right here. So let's get this done, because I need to plug in my phone. Okay, here's the old part. Took the wires out. Here's the old cover. By the way, this bottom part where the USB cable sticks out, that's just, all you do is pull it off and it exposes the rest. So this is all junk. And I'm going to get the new part, put it in, see how it works. Just put the USB right back in, slide it in, and plug them back together. USB, auxiliary. Let's plug in this auxiliary or USB. Click. Click. Okay. Moment of truth. Audio, video, audio in. I'd like to play some music, but I don't want my video demonetized if it ever gets to that point. Audio in. So you have to have it plugged in for it to register. I'm going to plug it. I unplugged it. Now I'll plug it back in. Plug in. There it goes. I'm going to take this, shove it back in its hole. Take that out right now. Bam! Click, click. Most satisfying noise in the world. Okay. There you are. Here's the top I was telling you about. For that, the little nub goes straight down, obviously. Click, click. Wham, bam. Thank you, ma'am. and audio in. Holy moly, thank goodness. And Honda, start putting some good parts in your vehicle. Well, it is a 2011, so it is pretty old. 13 years old. So, I guess 13 years is a good run. Here's your part number for the correct part, which is this part right here. Bang, bang, bang. Auxiliary. Bang, bang, bang. Alright. Catch you guys on the next mediocre video.